Seminole County Public Schools is digging into a new school year by breaking ground on a new building at Lyman High School.
There will be many bright futures because of this project and collaboration with all of you partners. So thank you very much.
This is about our future in Seminole County. This is about students being trained to work where they have jobs, where they can have decent salaries, where they can support a family, and where they can afford to buy a home and live and raise their families in Seminole counties.
The Career and Technical Building will be located near the football stadium and offer a host of new programs.
The state-of-the-art 20,000 plus square foot facility will be the new home of our automotive and building trades program, with space for expansion for 4 additional programs in the areas of the general trades, electrical, welding, and an HVAC program.
Delair brought in equipment and expertise to help us get an electrical program off the ground early so that when this building opens next August, we're not really starting a new program. We already have student interest both at Lyman and across the district.